Hello everyone, it's Andre from SWL. This video shows two nice strong catches on the SI4732 mini receiver. It's radio NUG, a clandestine station that targets Myanmar in Burmese from Po Chung in Taiwan, and NHK World Radio in English. The video also shows one flaw on the SI4732. There seems to be some breakthrough of very strong signals, even very strong shortwave signals. You can hear in both these clips that there is something in the background, which I believe is some or other strong signal from Madagascar. So if you live very close to strong shortwave receivers, you might experience this as well. It doesn't detract from the radio though. I still think it is really excellent, and this is not something that happens all the time.
It's now time to check out the world weather. In parts of the United States, rivers have been rising as a result of frequent heavy rain. Our meteorologist, Yumi Hirano, has the details. Cold air is surging from the north, where warm air is covering the south, leading to two different types of severe weather. In Montana, over 40 centimeters of heavy snow has been reported, while the southern states are facing heavy rainfall. People in Mississippi saw over 330 millimeters, and the more rain is possible in the same area through Saturday, as river levels remain high due to previous downpours. It could lead to higher risk of flash floods. Temperatures in Denver and Chicago will be the single digits. The highs in Atlanta and Washington will be 31. Now in Asia, a low pressure system is moving across the Korean peninsula, bringing thunder showers. And the next round of heavy rain will start in southern China. Up to 140 millimeters is possible in Fujian and Jiangxi provinces by Saturday night. But in Japan, summer-like conditions are concerned. Osaka may see 26, Tokyo will experience 28, which is as hot as in July. Kofu may even see 30. But in near prefecture, some animals are already preparing for the summer. Sheep got a cool trim in Yokai City near prefecture on Friday to beat the summer. After the sassy white was cut off, the sheep looks fresh and comfortable. Temperatures were already about 25 degrees around the sea, like early summer. Summer-like temperatures will continue in the Tokai and Kanto regions through Saturday. That's all from me. Have a nice weekend. Updated information on the earthquake. An earthquake with an estimated magnitude of 5.1 that struck central Japan. There is no threat of tsunami. And that's it for this hour on NHK News. Radio Japan, Tokyo.
Andre the man from a land so wide.